Hello, moneymakers. Have you ever wondered how to make captivating travel videos without showing your face? Well, you are in the right place here. I will share the secret of creating faceless travel videos using the power of AI. I'm your AI Maskman, and in today's video, I'm going to guide you through the exciting tutorial of faceless content creation in the travel niche. But before we dive in, let's talk about why this niche is exploding on YouTube. You probably have came across this type of video, such as the top 10 places you need to visit before you die, or top 10 places you should have in your bucket list. And do you know everyone click on these videos with curiosity? But why? Because such videos triggered two types of people. The ones who are design enthusiasts means those people who have a passion for exploring and traveling. And other who are FOMO enthusiasts means those who have fear of missing out, wonders what's special about these places that one must see before dying. And they plan their travels and what others are doing and are interested in such videos. In simple words, who doesn't like traveling? Exploring new places, new countries, meeting new people, trying new food, experiencing new culture. It's all fascinating for everyone, and that's why travel niche has become a popular niche on the YouTube platform. And of course, there are lots of competition in this niche, but it doesn't mean it's impossible to succeed in this niche. Because there are lots of viewers who prefer to watch this type of content. Just focus on creating content that adds value, fulfills the audience's need, and engage them emotionally. Now don't skip any part of this video because I will show you how to create such type of content without showing your face, where to find topics, how to write scripts, and how to edit this type of video. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to find a topic for the video. And for this, I will suggest to create a searchable topic video for your channel. Because if you are creating new channel and plan to make videos on random topics, it might take a considerable amount of time for you to go. This is because established D channel may have already covered those topics extensively. So due to this problem, try to make searchable topic video. Now, how can we find whether this topic is searchable or not? So, for this, open YouTube with incognito mode. Now let's start typing about the topic on which you want to create your video. And you will find that YouTube will start recommending some keywords that are currently other viewers are searching. So, create a video on the same keyword which viewers are searching. After deciding the topic, all you need to do is open the browser and search for the same. For example, here I will search for the best place to visit in the USA during summer. And as a result, here you will find many articles in which you can get all the information about this topic. So find one which is best and then open Google Docs. Alright, now here, firstly copy the place name and paste here. After that, copy all the information about this place and place it here. By this way, copy all the information from the article and place it in the Google Docs. Now we are going to create a complete video script from this information. And to do this, you can use any AI tool such as Google Gemini or Chat GPT and paste this prompt. I would like to create a YouTube video on best places to visit in the USA during summer. I am sharing an article for the same. I want to rewrite this and make it a proper YouTube script for the video. And below is the complete article and paste the information from the Google Docs. And as a result, Chat GPT gives us perfect script for our video. Make some necessary changes if it is required, or ask Chat GPT to do it for you. For an example here, I will ask Chat GPT to make it longer and add more information into this. So Chat GPT provides results as per our prompt. Alright, now we have our script. The next thing we want is voiceover. I suggest if you have a good voice, you can record on your own, so otherwise you can generate voiceover with AI. You can use any AI tool. I will suggest to use ElevenLabs because it gives 100% human-like voiceover. You can find link in the description. You can also clone your voice in ElevenLabs if you want a unique voice for your video. Alright, now open ElevenLabs, paste the script. Choose the perfect voice for your video. You can also explore many different types of voice from the voice library. So here I will choose Bella's voice for my video.
Inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Then click on generate and download it in your computer. So now we have a topic, we have a script, and we have a voiceover. Now it's time to find stock videos and images of these places. So for this I will suggest using Canva, because in this you will find plenty of stock footage, so you don't have to download from other sites. Wait. Take a look at this screenshot from our channel analytics. Over 93% of people who watch our videos don't even subscribe to our channel. Guys, it really takes a lot of handwork to produce such content and give it for free without selling any $500 course or promoting any affiliated products like others do. Therefore, I request you to please support our work. It will not cost you anything, but it will mean the world to me. Alright, let's continue with our topic again. Now open the Canva and click on the video icon from the dashboard. Then, upload the audio which you download from ElevenLabs. After that, cut the intro part and go to the design and then search for the travel. Here you will find many intro videos which you can use. So here I will use this one for my video. Let's change the title. Perfect. Then here I'm going to add best places to visit in USA during summer. So for this, go to the text section, choose your text and add it here, like this. Now all you need to do is go to the Elements section and search for the places according to your voiceover. Suppose my first destination is Bar Harbor, Maine, and here I will search for the same. As we can see here, we get so many footage of that place. You can also add images between the videos. Download the images from Google and add it here. Now let's add this, and add text into this. To add a text, go to the text section, choose one of the text, like this. You can also change color, effects, and animation from here. Now I'm going to write the place name in this text box, so people can recognize that place and viewers can relate to it. By this way, add footages, images, and other elements to make your video more engaging.
Next up, we're heading to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
You can also add different types of transition from Canva. Just click on this plus icon and add one of this transition between two videos and images. Now in the end, let's give final touches to our video. Download this video and then open CapCut free desktop app. Import the video and add it to the timeline. Then click on text and select auto captions. Select language and create a subtitle for your video. After that, choose the style of the caption from these available options. I will choose this one. There are so many options, are there? You can also add AI characters to your video from here. Then add filters, transitions, and effects from here like this.
I've got the lowdown on awesome places where you can have fun.
So this is how it looks. After that, click on the right button and select split the video. So it will automatically split all the scenes, so you don't have to split manually by yourself. Now you can add transitions between two videos to make it attractive. You can also add background music from the YouTube library, so you don't have to face any copyright issues in the future. When you are done with the editor, click on export and download it on your computer. This is how you can create travel videos without showing your face. Once you have created a successful channel, you not only make money from Google AdSense, but you will get lots of sponsorships as well, and you can do affiliate marketing for some local travel agencies as well. Now let's have a look at our video.
Hello, travel buddies? Planning a cool summer trip in the USA? I've got the lowdown on awesome places where you can have fun, chill, and soak in nature's beauty. Let's check out the best summer spots together. Our first stop is the charming town of Bar Harbor, Maine. Known as one of the most romantic towns in the USA, it's an ideal summer getaway for couples. Picture-perfect streets, historic homes, and breathtaking nature views set the stage. Take a stroll along the shore path, indulge in a scenic sunset cruise, and explore the Woodlawn Museum's historic estate. Bar Harbor is a lovebird's paradise. Next up, we're heading to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. With beautiful sandy beaches and family-friendly attractions, Myrtle Beach is a must for your summer vacation checklist. Enjoy water sports, visit the Family Kingdom amusement park, and cool off at the Myrtle Waves water park. Golf enthusiasts, don't miss the award-winning golf courses, and nature lovers can explore Myrtle Beach State Park. For thrill seekers, our adventure takes us to Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming. This iconic park offers alpine rivers, stunning canyons, and unique wildlife. Summer, mid-June to mid-September, is the best time to visit for camping, fishing, and boating. With nearly 1,000 miles of hiking trails, get ready for awe-inspiring sights and incredible photo opportunities.